Hi there, Zach.
Hi Tamar, how you going?
Oh, you know, not bad. It's a beautiful day to be here in the Bloom kitchen.
I've been out way deep. I've been out in the depths of the ocean.
That's a bad looking boy.
Look at this guy. This is the ski. Look at the laughing gear on this guy.
No. Oh,
I tell you what, if you get your hand in there, that will do some damage. What we're gonna do with this guy is we're just gonna cut him into some steaks.
It's summertime. We want a barbecue.
Because his bones run all different ways and it's a little bit harder to get a fillet off him. So the easiest thing to do here is we're just gonna cut some steaks off him. So I'm gonna start up here with the head and I'm just gonna come off with the head. There we go.
Oh,
now
nice.
I'm through.
Nice.
We're through there now. We've got a nice steak there. So we're gonna pop that away for later and we're gonna go about 1 inch thick.
Right, a decent thick steak.
Yep. So that, you know, each person's gonna get a good little feed. What I'm gonna actually do quickly though is just take these spines off, and that's just for ease of cooking later. I'm gonna smoke this tail up, because once we get down here, they're a little bit small for your steaks. This beautiful steak here, no scales on it, so really easy. Lots of bones all over the show though. That's why we're cooking it as a steak, and that's why it's gonna be really special like this. I want a bit of a Cajun blackened fish seasoning on those, please.
Fabulous.
If you wanna know what's in that, it's just over there or wherever the man puts it. All right, so we're just gonna rub them all over in that, get a good coating. So there you go.
When we pop this on the barbecue, it's all gonna char in and
we want it to
lovely.
really take on that flavour.
Sticking with the Cajun Creole style, we're gonna grill some corn on the barbecue. Green tomatoes that have gone slightly red, but you know, greeny red tomatoes.
Green enough for me.
We'll make a remoulade sauce to go on the side that you can dip everything into. I would like you to get maybe like 2 tablespoons of pickles.
Yep.
And I want them quite fine dice. I'm gonna mix all the wets together. Just put in a bit of paprika. You can pop that in there. And we're gonna go with about a teaspoon of what? So about 2 teaspoons.
2
of
teaspoons.
this, and again chopped up pretty fine. So I just added a teaspoon of hot sauce in there, but you can add less, or you can use pretty much any hot sauce you like. I'm also going to get you to mince this fresh garlic. I would like you to chop it as fine as you can. And we're going to go with a pretty big, decent, heaped teaspoon of Dijon. That's going to go in there. About half a lemon.
Did you want me to bang up those green tomatoes for you while we're at it? I'll present those all yummy side up for you. Bang some salt and pepper on there.
Season up, corn as well.
Oh, there we go. That was
away.
That was more of a glug glug.
Great.
We'll bang these in this bowl, and we'll head on out to the barbecue. Do you know what time it is?
It is blackened fish time.
Look at that.
You can see the seasoning's really settled into the fish
It's
now.
exceptional. Like, look at how yum that looks. We're gonna get the corn on first because the corn needs to actually cook all round. So we're just gonna roll them up there, and we want them up the back there because we're gonna have the tomatoes here at the front. And then we're gonna do these fish steaks over here on the griddle. Yum. And this wants to be quite hot.
Yep.
Because we want to actually char.
So it's actually kind of burning the spices a bit to get that really authentic Creole flavour in there.
Burn them.
Burn it.
We're just gonna pop that down.
Let it do its thing.
Shall we see how it's looking?
Ooh.
Oh, that is looking good. Yeah, look at that.
They are really like little lamb chops, eh?
I mean, if your lamb swims around at the bottom of the ocean going dung, 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 that blackening, that char, that crust, that is what we're here for. The corn are grilling up. See how we're getting that nice yellow into them now?
Yeah.
Shall we chuck some Toms on?
I reckon. Time for Toms.
This is looking really good. A little bit of oil on this side. I'm gonna put some butter on the gemfish as well.
Oh, yeah.
A little dab. I think we're almost done here.
Yeah?
Okay.
That's looking stunning.
Pull these guys out.
It looks so good. I reckon a little row of Toms in the front.
A little pile there.
Yeah.
Little dog pile.
Chuck them in
Chuck them there.
Corn it up.
Corn it up.
Green pot, gotta have the green pot. Good thing about rustic cooking when you just kind of tear everything up.
I think that looks stunning.
That's beautiful.
I cannot wait to try it.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Should we rip into it? Oh, that is cooked beautifully. Rimahu? Rimala. Oh my god.
I don't want to stop eating that, to be fair.
Well done. That's a bloody SPRAT summer.
Well spent. Thanks, Zach.
Thanks, Tamar.
See you at the barbecue.